Hey there, Rob Reynolds here. Most of us are doing our best to stay home these days, unless we're essential workers or idiots. So many people are out of work, entire industries. My entire former industry has been shuttered. So if you're lucky enough to have a job and be able to work from home, be grateful. I know that I am. That being said, there are still issues that come with it. Here in my house, I'm set up down in my workshop, my wife is set up upstairs, and the kids are at their desks navigating their new world of telelearning. Now, frequently, I will have a video conference or video meeting, or I'll have to shoot a little video, and I needed a way to let everybody upstairs know that. Now, I suppose I could trudge up the one flight of stairs and tell them, or tape a sign to the door. That's just not my style. I work for SparkFun, and I create things. The word creative is in my title. So I poked around to see what parts I had lying around to make a better? Well, a nerdier notification system. Of course, I had some LEDs and buttons and things like that, servos, but the crucial component for this build was a pair of XBees, along with a couple of Xbee shields and some SparkFun Redboards. From those parts came this, the meeting notifier. On my end is the transmitter. It's got a pair of buttons, one green and one red, with corresponding LEDs for visual feedback, some necessary resistors, and of course the Redboard and Xbee module. For the receiver, I've got the other Redboard and Xbee, along with a micro servo and an RGB LED I found floating around the bottom of my LED drawer. The LED I had was super bright, even with a 1K ohm resistor, so I wound up throwing this bottle cap over it to kind of diffuse it so it wouldn't blind my wife upstairs. So here's how it works. Power up both boards, and they're both coded to go to the I'm not in a meeting state on startup. They'll both have a green LED, and the graphic wheel shows the incomparable Madeline Kahn letting the family know that it's okay to come downstairs. Once I head into a conference call, I just hit the red button. I get the visual indicator down here, and upstairs the LED changes to red after the wheel spins 180 degrees to the amazing John Candy, letting everyone know that it's not okay to come downstairs. Then, once my meeting is over, Ms. Kahn lets them know that it's all clear. So that's really it. If you want me to drop a parts list or some code, hit me up in the comments. Until then, stay safe, be kind to each other, and happy hacking.